Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is going to be an update on the scooters, and it's probably going to be the last video on them, and you'll see why. This scooter, which is clapped out. Well, I mean, it's personal use for people who push with their left foot, so it's like, well, it's like, you know, if you try to wheelie this thing, you definitely loop, because there's only a front brake. I'm gonna try to, okay, that would be dumb if you try to stop you. I mean, I got a little bit. Yo, let's try to clap out the bar. Dang, it did more damage to the ground than the actual scooter. Oh, actually, never mind. That's insane. The brake is literally on the bar. And now let's try it from a higher place. Okay, let's try to land on the bars. Then you can literally see, like, the sticker's literally folding in. Oh yeah, this thing, like, I broke this thing. Dang. Oh dang, you can literally see. Yo, this is a scooter for toddlers. Like, how do you drive it? Yeah, it's so hard to, like, pull it up. Oh yeah, I mean, I got some of it. The kickstand doesn't even work now. Oh. Bruh. Oh, that's low-key tough. Yo, let's see how durable these tires are. Or is it this knife? I don't know. Well, I guess we'll just let the tire be. This scooter literally has no value whatsoever. Whoa, I forgot there's no back brake. In this scooter, all the electronics still work, so it is worth something. So if you just buy a new battery, yo, look at that snappy throttle. And it only has that much room, so you're like already going full speed. That's tough. This thing has no value at all. It's fried, and there's no controller in it. Yeah, or is there? I don't know, but this thing, it's way bigger, faster, has a good back brake. This one has a front brake. Has a controller, motor, really good. It's just a really good scooter in general, and it's way better to fix than this. This I'd have to buy a new controller, new motor, and new batteries, so it's not worth it. There you guys go. The end of that scooter. controller? No shot, is the controller? It is a controller, what the heck? Oh, that means that it's totally fried then, because the controller didn't work at all. When I connected batteries to it, this thing, I connected an undervolted battery, and when I clicked the throttle, it made a noise like it was trying to go, but it was just undervolted. So this thing is fine. You have to buy some batteries for it. This thing is fried. I'm actually really happy that we're getting way better weather. That's really sick. In memory of the scooter. Alright, I'm gonna go grab some pliers, cut it off. Well, here's this piece. Dang. Alright guys, now we have the handlebars. Yo, look how clicky these brakes are. Ooh. Alright, now let's go work on the Ridstar. Dang, I wish I could just like ride up there. And this thing working perfectly except for right here. This thing fell out of the bearing. That sucks. If any of you guys like know how to put the bearing back in, tell me so I can fix this thing. But no, otherwise this thing works perfectly. It's already on. Alright. I don't know why it's turning off. Do we have enough gas? Yeah, no, we have no gas, that's why. This thing has been sitting for so long. So if any of you guys know how to fix that, I might just take it to a shop and have someone else do it, because